Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're going to do some wonderful pendulum cards. This is the first one. See how it kind of rocks. And here's the second one. I was inspired by V-Tran. She had a tutorial, and I'll put the link below in the description. But I did a little different, and I used some different paper also. And you're able to make two cards. So I took some of the mother of pearl specialty paper and use the Diorama dies. So I cut a piece that was 4 and 5.5 here and cut out these 3 pieces. Then I cut out a basic white one that's the same size as the largest one, and then 2 balmy blue pieces also. And if you can see, let me see if I can show you. It's like a puzzle. There you go. And then this one. And then because I did the center there. There. Now you get 2 cards. And all you need are 2 basic white card bases measuring 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. So we'll use that a little later. And I know this is a retired stamps punch, but I'm going to go ahead and use that to help with this. So what's nice about this one is because it has a hole, I only have to put a hole in this piece for the pendulum. And let's see, we're going to put it kind of toward the top here, as far as you can go. And that way it'll still be able to go. Let's see. Oh, I see that I have some room here. So I could probably cut a little way here for that. Perfect. We're going to glue that down first. Match up the holes. And we don't need that extra glue. Forgot about that. Alright. And then for the mechanism, I used a piece of scraps that's 1/2 inch wide. And it doesn't matter how long it is. This one's about 3 inches. You're going to cut it down. And basically, I put 2 dimensionals stacked on top of each other. And that's the mechanism that's actually going to shake the otter. And then let's see, let's do another hole here. Let's do it about right there on the edge, right there. Put a little glue. Gotta remember only this one can cover there. And do you see that? It fits right there, and that's what's gonna rock. And for this one, let's go ahead and let's use this cute guy that I colored. Calypso coral for the fish. I'm waiting for the tone blends, so I use the bronze and then the ivory there. And then you're just going to take off the release paper here and stick it here. And basically, this is the part that's actually going to go. I think my glue is going to interfere with that, so I'm going to have to cover that up. Let me put, I think it'll be okay. Then you're going to take a lovely penny and some Scotch tape and put the penny in the middle of the tape here and put it right on the edge. Actually, I'm going to cut it off first. Let's get my snips and see where it pokes out. It's about right there. Even if it rocks over here in this way, it's not going to. So I'm going to put my penny here and then wrap the tape around here. And that's basically what's going to help it rock. Isn't that cool? And then let's do the same with this one. This one we're going to have 2 areas, so let's start with this one here. I have another otter that's ready to go. This guy right here. So I want to make sure. Let's go ahead and glue this one. I forgot the other one had a hole in it. That's why I put so much glue on that one, but that's okay. And then, because my punch won't go all the way in, a little trick is you can actually poke some holes here. And it could be any shape if you don't have that, because I know that's a retired circle punch. And that's it. And you pop it out. So that's a different way of doing it. And then I just kind of roll this in just to make sure that it gets all cut. Where are my snips? Here they are. Cut it out. Make it nice and smooth. And then do the same thing for that mechanism. So again, 2-dimensional stacked on top of each other on a 1/2-inch strip. It doesn't matter the size of it yet. Let me just do a little bigger because I can feel that it's not quite smooth. I want to make sure my mechanism will be able to swing. Let's see. And there it goes. So we're going to stick that in there. And this guy is already in some water. Take that release tape off. He's going to be right there. And that, good. I think that'll work. Yep. Another penny. Clipping to the edge of the diorama. Piece of Scotch tape with the penny. Fold it over. And there we go. See how it rocks? Alright. So, of course, we don't want it to rock all the way over. So, I'm going to use some lovely strips, foam strips, to be able to block it and kind of be stoppers along the way. I'm just cutting some pieces here. So, like, you don't want it to twirl all the way here. So, that's as far as you want. So, the stopper should go over here by the where the penny will hit. And then same for the other side. About that is good. Stopper there. And then the rest of the foam strips are just to raise it and allow the penny to rock. Oops, don't put it there because that's where the penny is. Only at the top and the sides. Let me get my adhesive remover. It's a definite oops, but I'm glad I'm able to use this to take that adhesive off. And that way, do you see how it rocks? Oops, I went past the stopper. There. Okay, so then we have our card bases that we will fold over and get ready. So we'll do the first one here. But we're going to, where's my frame? We're going to put our frame in here first. Some more glue there. Just to use that lovely mother of pearl. I like the sheen on it. It's not quite super shiny, but you can kind of see the sheen of it. So let's go ahead and adhere that first with the glue. Take all the release paper here. And there you go. There's your first one. There you go. And we'll do the same with this one. I think I may have to redo my blue part. I wonder if I could do that or not. But let's see. I think it'll still slide. Alright, so stoppers again to see how far we want our otter to be. That's good. And the other side, maybe about that much. We don't want to go too far. And some more pieces for the top. Remember, don't put it there like I just did. Top and side. The other card base. Release tape. And right in the middle. Yep, so that one's gonna rock. And this one's gonna rock. Alright, so thanks for letting me share this with you. If you can support me by liking, subscribing, you'll get more video tutorials like this. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.